back of you will tell you to move your fucking ass. Oh, wow. It's raining, so nobody knows how to drive anymore.
Well, it's raining while the sun is out. Look at this. And it might be girl. Oh, she's not inside because it's just drizzling right now. And there's an airplane passing by too. And also, it just keeps getting worse, I swear. Apparently we're going to get hit with Hurricane Harvey. That's right. I just found that out last night at around 9 or 10 p.m. I mean, what the hell? So let's see. I no longer have a PlayStation 4, and now we're going to get hit with a hurricane. I mean, can shit get any worse? I don't think so. This is bullshit at this point. As you can see, going to get directly hit by it right there. Live on the western corner of Tennessee, which is Memphis, so it's right there. So we're gonna get hit with it about either tomorrow or Friday. Oh my god. Which of course means we're going to experience some flooding. For fuck's sake. I mean, well, apparently it came. Anyway, I was gonna say what I was saying first before I do that. Which I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah. The National Guard here is already on standby, just waiting for the call or signal. How the hell they get deployed? Well, I don't know if it's a signal. I don't know if they get a call from the governor saying that. I don't know if the governor calls the National Guard, giving them the all clear to come out and will obviously be deployed. I got no clue. But anyways. Here we go. Oh, fuck. Hey, big boy. I mean, it pisses me off. Fuck it. I was trying to put this little slip of paper in the box here, but that did not work. I mean, it's bullshit. The fact that I got the damn thing, like, literally this time last month. Like, I only had it for a month and a half, and it's already broken. That pisses me off. But at least I got the box, so at least that. Give me a minute. Oh, here it is. Well, I'm obviously going to need to fill this out. Let me get a pencil if I can. Here we go. Let me turn that off for now. And now. Oh, no controllers. Okay, I thought, I originally thought you were supposed to pat the controller inside, but apparently not. And as you can see, they don't accept insect-infested units, of course. Anyways. What the hell? I don't know what that was. But anyways. Here we go. Disconnect all cables and peripherals. Whatever. Which I did. Into the supply bag. Don't know what the fuck that is. Here we go. Let me. Yo, is the dog trapped in my room again? What the fuck? Well, let's see if the dog got trapped in my room again. Apparently he did not. I don't know what the hell that noise is, but whatever. Anyways, back to this. Is this the bag? Yes, it is. Well, we're gonna need 2 hands for this. Gonna set it up against this little cup here, if I can. This is bullshit. Imagine if I drop. Imagine stomach making more weird noises. Imagine if I drop and it shatters complete. I'd be pissed. God damn it. Come on now, here we go. Well, finally got that done. Oh, God, fuck's sake. Running out of space here. That was close. Into a supplied bag, or box. Well, gonna need 2 hands again. Well, finally got that done. Holy shit. Fuck. That took way too long than I expected. That took like 10 or 15 minutes because I had no clue what the fuck I was even doing. And of course, I almost just dropped the pencil. Anyways, here we go. I was supposed to peel this off. There you go. Sorry about that. And now I'm gonna have to fill this shit out with some masking deposit here because it's gonna be literally me writing on a piece of paper and school all over again. Anyways, I'll be back. And there's the dog. Well, there it is. And, well, going to sip it out tomorrow because, well, to ship it to a Sony, to the repair center, you need to go to the post office, and kind of don't feel like doing that today, so probably tomorrow we'll go to the post office to send it out to repairs. But that's it for the PlayStation 4, at least for a little while. So anyways, yeah, I got no clue what the hell these taste like, so I'm gonna do a little taste test if I can. Let me open it. Why? I'm so close to flipping out. Anyways. Tastes just like I say it tastes like. Anyways, unless if more ridiculous nonsense like that happens, that's gonna be it for today. I mean, that is just ridiculous.